Data on sweet drinks. Data on sweet drinks. A new study discovered that regular soda drinking leads to an increased risk for many causes of death. The study surveyed more than 450,000 people in 10 European countries from 1992 to 2000. The study discovered that people who drank 2 or more glasses of soda a day had higher chances of dying from certain diseases than people who drink less than 1 glass of soda a day. Soda is sweetened from sugar linked to more digestive diseases. And soda is sweetened from artificial sugar linked to more circulatory diseases. Also, drinking any soda excessively is linked to the Parkinson's disease. Researchers said that drinking a lot of soda suggests that you might have an unhealthy lifestyle. But the results were the same, whether you were skinny, overweight, smoked, or did not smoke cigarettes. This is the end of our lesson. Happy study, and see you in our next lesson. Bye.